Hello everyone, welcome to Kidsnetic. Today we are going to see about the toddler reading folder. This video is a continuation of our series in reading. To check out the other video, you can go to our playlist or please check out this iCard. Through this toddler reading folder, our kids are going to know about the phonic sounds, alphabet names, vowels, and 180 plus new words. The vocabulary is going to be increased so high, and there is a very special element in this book. To know all these things, do not skip and see the entire video for the full info. Now, without any further ado, let's go into the video. Before starting off with a toddler reading folder, your kids should know about the phonics. Phonics are nothing but the alphabet sounds. In order to start reading very easily and effectively, your kids should know the alphabet sounds like A, B, K, D instead of alphabet names A, B, C, D, because reading is made very easy through alphabet sounds. When you know the alphabet sounds, you can start to blend 2 to 3 letters and form a word and thereby start to read. To make your kids read very easily and quickly, there is a step-by-step procedure, and when you follow this, I'm sure your kid really enjoys the process and eventually starts to read. First, complete these flashcards and then move on to this interactive 5-in-1 alphabet color book. Through this book, your kids are going to learn 26 new words with amazing pictures and also in a very interactive way. After completing this, you can move on to this toddler reading folder. I have made detailed video on the importance of flashcards and also about this 5-in-1 alphabet color book. You can check out the iCards and I'm giving the link in the description box too. Now we'll go to the details of this toddler reading folder. In this folder, you can start off by teaching the phonic sounds associated with pictures. They've already learned all these things in the flashcards, so it will be very easy for them to link and learn it again. You can teach like A, apple, B, ball, K, car, and so on. Next comes the alphabet without pictures. So you can teach A, B, K, D and ask them to identify it. Where is they have to identify. Where is they have to identify, and so on. After they are good to go with all the phonic sounds, you can start teaching them with the alphabet names with these charts. Like a song, you can sing a song for them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Always remember, songs are really effective in teaching, so wherever possible you can introduce songs to your kids. Next we'll introduce vowels to our kids. Tell them there are 5 vowels in the 26 alphabet letters and ask them to count the same. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And tell them A, E, O, and stick velcros on these and tell them to match. Next is the beginning sound match. First take out all the cutouts and then introduce these words to your kids like G, grapes, H, hen, I, iguana, J, jar, K, kite, L, lion, and ask them to pick a cutout. For example, if they are picking G, ask them to spell out the phonic sound and then associate and match with the correct word. They have to search and match it with G, grapes, J, jar, H, hen, and so on. And here is the vowel match. Here the kids can associate the vowels with the objects. This is also pretty simple for them. First tell them all these words and then ask them to match. And next comes the most important part, which is the alphabet book. Here your kids are going to learn 6 new words for every letter. So there are totally 156 new words. The first word alone is associated with the words in the flashcards and also with this beginning sound match. All these first words will be given in every letter. So your kids can easily link it up and match it, and they can easily understand them. As usual, first remove all these cutouts and introduce the words to your kids. Apple, ant, alligator, axe, aeroplane, astronaut, and then tell them all these words starts with the letter A. A. Apple begins with A. Ant begins with A. Alligator begins with A, and so on. Similar way for all the 26 letters, you can play it in this way, and you can tell them to match it accordingly, so that the fine motor skills develop and they are going to learn 156 new words. That's amazing, right? Each day you can keep one letter, and in nearly 26 days they are going to learn 156 new words. That's really amazing. And I also mentioned there is one special thing about this book. I always make books in order that they grow with the child. They are not used only till their toddler age alone. They are used until they are up to kindergarten. Now let's see what's a special thing about this book. I have introduced Little Math to this reading folder. I thought that kids are not only bound to know only of what is math alone and what is reading alone, they have to know how to apply both things, how to apply math on reading also. So I have introduced counting and ordinal numbers here. So let's see how it goes. For example, let me take this word yoga. So I asked my kid, where is this yoga position? So my kid has to count the position. First, second, third. So my son says that yoga is positioned third and it begins with ya. So he writes yoga is positioned in third place and it begins with ya. In the same way he counts for all the words. Like yarn, where is the yarn positioned? First. Yarn is positioned in the first place and it begins with ya. Start the ordinal numbers and the counting only after introducing numbers and counting to your kids. I hope that this toddler reading folder will help your kids to take their first step in reading with a small twist of math flavor to make it more interesting and interactive. The link to get this printable is given in the description box. Kindly give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Until I meet you all in my next video, it's tata bye bye and happy learning.